तुम लोग ही लेके आते हुए पता नहीं कहाँ से. Playing in the IPL was something that I was not able to crack to a large extent for the first 3 seasons. वो स्लेजिंग वेजिंग कर रहा था, मेरे को स्टार बना हुआ था. मैं कहा तेरा साइड में आ, तेरे को मैं बताता हूँ. यार ये मुझे समझ नहीं आया, कभी किसी ने मेरे को बोला क्यों नहीं चेंज करने को. गलत फहमी देख लो. This was not out of ego then. This is not out of ego now.
It's time for the IPL to become an adult. Adult matlab it's turning 18. So when it's turning 18, I think we should talk about this with jersey number 18. I think it is 18 calling 18. 18!
Yes, sir.
Here he is. 18 calling 18, Virat Kohli. भाई जान है बंदा IPL की. And 18 साल हो गए हैं, एक ही रंग में दिखा है बंदा. This is about making you realize how old you've become.
Thank you very much for reminding me I'm 36 years old.
No, but let me just tell you. अगर IPL जिस साल शुरू हुई थी, उस साल कोई बच्चा पैदा हुआ था, अब वो कॉलेज में जा रहा है. It's a long time.
It's a long journey. One that we have seen grow, evolve, and become this absolutely amazing spectacle. Honestly, मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचा था जब शुरू हुई थी IPL that it could get to a stage like this. But 18 years and rolling, and every year you feel the same excitement, if not more, which is a massive credit to the league, the way it's organized, the teams, the competitiveness, the professionalism, top notch.
From the first one to this one, opening day, does that bring out the same excitement that a young, 19-year-old Virat Kohli felt in 2008 and now a 36-year-old feels in 2025?
See, honestly, पहला जो साल था ना, that for us was exciting in terms of unexpected things happening. एक तो 2020 is we hadn't played a lot. दूसरी चीज franchise cricket, the opportunity to play with different players from all over the world that we looked up to. We were buzzing and how.
You came straight from the Under-19 World Cup, in fact.
Yes. And when the auction happened, we were in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, and we were sold for first class cricketers जो थे 20 लाख का उनका लिमिट थी. मतलब हम पागल हो गए कॉरिडोर में कि 20 लाख रुपए मिल गए. That was the emotion behind it. और फिर opening ceremony हुई. Then you meet these great cricketers.
Who were you in awe of? Tell me that.
I was...
Because I think there are very few that you've been in awe of.
I think in that... I mean, to be honest, जब मैं पहली बार जब मैं खेला हूँ, I was in awe of everyone. मैं तो कभी किसी से मिला नहीं था. So, Zakpa I had met a couple of times with Yuvipa and everyone because we played for North Zone. So Yuvipa and me kind of knew each other from before. Even playing with Anil Bhai for the first time, Rahul Bhai. All these legends of the game. For me, it was like, man, this is... like I'm in fantasy land, It was, the feeling was that. And then obviously the pressures came along with that because I felt like I knew my game is not up to the mark, to perform at this level. And I had to prove myself. So that pressure was there. That eventually caught up with me in the first season. But yeah, the excitement was tremendous.
पहला ही जो मैच था, उसमें आके you're probably watching Brendan McCullum play one of the finest T20 knock. Tell me the moment opening ceremony के बाद getting onto the field, इतने बड़े crowd में had you played before?
No, never. I had never played in a crowd like that, in an environment like that, plus watching that kind of an innings. But the most interesting part for me, which I have never spoken about, is that Ishant and me played all our cricket together.
साथ में,
right? तो मैं उसको बहुत बार खेला था. And वो मैच में जब वो मेरे को bowling कर रहा था, मुझे लग रहा था ये अलग level का bowler bowling कर रहा है. That was the pressure. Now you understand environment से क्या होता है. अगर मैं उसे नेट्स में खेलूंगा तो I wouldn't be intimidated. But वहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार मैं ईशांत को मार ही नहीं पाऊंगा. Because माहौल है, प्रेशर है, एक विकेट गिरी हुई है,
तो that's
exactly. तो मैं तब मुझे समझ आया कि प्रेशर होता क्या है और एनवायरनमेंट की क्या कैपेसिटी होती है to make a player feel under pressure where you know a guy inside out, फिर भी वो लग रहा है कि नहीं मार पाऊंगा.